Hi everyone,
Hello,
I'm Charles
and I'm Tiffany,
and we're walking the Cleveland Way.
which is a 110-mile national trail in the north of England and starts in Helmsley.
And finishes in Filey.
So it loops all the way around the top of the North York Moors and then comes down the coast from Saltburn by the sea. Except we're going to do it in the opposite direction.
We're doing it in the opposite direction. It's just better for logistics for us.
We've already walked some of it the other direction because we did that when we did the coast to coast last year.
Yeah, and it walks through some fantastic scenery, some hills and some climbing to do, nice pubs and stuff.
It should be absolutely amazing.
It should be.
Amazing.
It should be.
And this is the first walk that we're going to do together for charity.
Yes, it is.
And also the first walk that we're going to take my dog Poppy along with us. And she's got her own little backpack. And
Sweet
she's
Poppy.
learning how to walk with
She is. She's training us also because we need to train because it's 110 miles.
It's quite a long way, isn't it?
It is.
Doing, 15 miles a day?
Yeah.
Something like
Over
that.
8 days we're doing it. Camping each time. Backpacking, so we're carrying all our gear on our backs. Food, water, everything. Tent, camping gear and all that. It's going to be an epic trip and I'm excited to do it.
It's going to be fantastic.
It is. Right. We're doing the Cleveland Way in memory of my mom who passed away in September of 2018 to complications of Alzheimer's. My mom was passionate about the outdoors and the scenery of the UK, and I think the Cleveland Way will be a really good tribute to my mom and how she viewed the countryside of England. And I think it's going to be great to walk in her memory. What do you think, Tiffany?
I think that's a fantastic idea.
I
I wish I'd got to know her a bit better. So we met walking when we were doing the coast to coast in May last year.
Yeah, 2018.
Yeah, and I was walking with a group and having my bags all transported for me, which was the very easy way of doing it. But you weren't, were you?
No, I was backpacking with everything on my back, walking into Kelp.
Yeah, and that's where we met.
Yes.
Where the coast to coast crosses with the Pennine Way, a lovely little village, and we were in a pub.
Yes, she was in the corner typing on her phone, doing something, and I walked in after a long day, setting up my tent. Walked in and set up got my pint of beer, and walked into the cafe area where everyone was sitting, and she was in the corner sitting there.
Yeah, and we got to chatting, and the rest is history. And we've just got engaged.
Yes, we have. We're due to be married.
We are.
We're walking to raise money for Alzheimer Society.
The Alzheimer Society spends the money on research, care, and raising awareness of Alzheimer's so that people that are living with the condition are better supported. And
they raise money in the community. So there's a community center that they do like meetings, all care meetings, which my dad actually attends one. So it's quite great for the community. So the money goes to that and many other parts of finding the cure and stuff for Alzheimer's.
Yeah, and Dementia Friends is one of the initiatives that they've got, which is sort of again raising awareness. So it is a fantastic charity.
It is, yeah, and we're looking to raise £1,000.
£1,000.
Yeah.
That's quite a lot, but please, sponsor us.
I think with your help, we can easily reach that with the two of us, with our friends and family, and people all around the world that watching this video that feel, you know what, that's a good charity, let me give a little bit. And you don't have to give a lot, from £1 to all the way up to £20 if you can afford it.
Anything that you can afford, we'll go to help people with that are living with this condition. Yeah,
Alzheimer's and dementia and all that. So yeah, I'll put a link in the description to our Just Giving page, which is a well-known charity. Well, they collect the money for the charities within the UK, so it's very popular. A lot of people use it, so it's safe, feel comfortable using it. And check the link in the video, and we'll look to posting videos. I'll be posting videos of the daily walks, so if you want to add me or subscribe to my account on YouTube, you can follow along. Each day we'll have a video going, so it'll be you can follow along and see how we're doing.
Yeah, watch this space, and we might put something on about her training as well. As Poppy gets more used to her backpack and starts to walk with us.
Yeah, it's going to be great. I look forward to the walk.
Absolutely.
Awesome.
See you later.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, I think that went well. I think that went well. Poppy was sitting there the whole time, wasn't she?
Yeah.
That was good, that was.